In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the south elevation of this floor plan using the scale 1 to 50. We're given the information, the wall height, the roof height, the door height, and the window height. I have converted those heights using the scale 1 to 50. So 2000 millimeters equals 40 millimeters at that scale. It's really important that you read these exam questions really carefully, as you can get a lot of information. What we need to do is just draw a rectangle that represents looking at this house from the south. So that's 80 mil. So I'm now going to rule across the page a nice straight line for the base of the elevation and measure the 80 millimeters like that. Now the roof height, I'll just do the door, the window and the wall height first. So it's going to go up 40 millimeters this way and this way. I'm using the base of the page to sit my set square so that my lines remain beautifully neat. Now let's look at this floor plan again. I might put the roof in now. So it goes up another 20 millimeters from 40 to 60. And I'm not given any information about the style of roof, so I'm just going to draw it as a rectangle. Measure. Okay, so it goes over 5 mil on either edge. 5 mil that way. Going to rule up some lines going up, which I'll measure off in a sec. It always pays to rule the lines slightly longer than what you need and then go back after and measure them. It's just a more professional way of drawing. So we now have our roof. Okay, now it's a funny little house because this door is actually the same height as the roof. So it's sort of 30 mil from that edge, 30 from that edge. Sorry, the same height as the wall. It's like a little hut. Now I'm not given any information about the windows apart from the fact that they are 1 meter high. So the window height is 1 meter and I'm just going to place them anywhere in this area. So just roll across a line for the tops of the windows and measure down 20 mil. I am given information for how wide they are though. So they are 7 mil from that edge. Which makes them 7 mil from this edge. And then 7 mil there. Okay, just roll that in. Now if I had time I could go back after and make the windows look a bit fancier, but these sort of questions with elevations aren't normally worth that many marks, so just really keep an eye on the clock. Just erase out unwanted lines. neaten up a little bit. There we have the south elevation of this floor plan. Just one more thing I would quickly put in, might pay to write in neat capital letters the word south, as that is a convention. Now, if you were asked to add dimensions, you would put them on the side. I'm just going to show you how to do that quickly. So I might go from here. We do little projection lines like this that don't quite touch the object. Just like that. That's not supposed to be touching that there. Now our dimensions, always put the closest dimensions to the building. With any sort of architectural instrumental drawing, we don't use arrowheads. We use a little 45-degree line, like that, and write your measurements in millimeters. Now that is 1000 mil. I might put that this way. Like that. Now I might actually put in some dimensions here as well. I could also put in window dimensions, which I might put over to this side. Now keep your dimensions above the line and to the left of the line. And in an elevation, you don't typically dimension widths because that information is found on a floor plan, but you do dimension heights of like walls, roofs and windows. Okay, so now we have some dimensions on our elevation. You could also put a little doorknob on there.